just got to put the battery lead on here.
Welcome back to the channel. It's 1989. You've got 15 to 20,000 pounds in the bank. Mobile phones are far from mobile, and social media is literally just being handed a copy of The Sun after someone else has read it. What do you do with that money? Do you buy a 6-bedroom house, or do you buy a sexy coupe? Yes, sexy coupe time. Well, what coupe do you buy? Ford stopped selling the Capri 3 years earlier, and the Manta is now being replaced. If you can't go Japanese, you're limited. Or are you? Vauxhall has the answer. The new Vauxhall Calibra. All joking aside, you've seen the pretext of this video on Instagram and on the earlier channel trailers. It is a Calibra we're going to look at tomorrow. It's a late 90s Calibra. It's one of the latter ones. Now I know the vehicle it's not been used for about 2.5 years. It has had a new battery put on it, or the old battery charged up, but it's had a battery, it's had some fresh oil, and it's had some fresh petrol. We will be starting up for the first time tomorrow. I'm reliably informed it's not been run for quite some time, but it was well maintained beforehand, so it should behave itself, but we will see. I don't know what it's like underneath. It could be rotten, it could be rusted out, I don't know. It's been sat for a while, so we will see tomorrow. I understand the interior is in really good condition. The exterior apparently is quite good. It will need a wash down and a hose, no doubt. So hopefully you'll join me tomorrow. We'll go and take a look. It's quite a way away. The owner doesn't want us to see online where it's stored. Completely understandable. I'd be the same for now. But yeah, we should go and see it, and fingers crossed it's a good one. Brings back a few memories. No, he's nice. I'm well impressed with him. There's just no rust anywhere in like.
No. Was yours rusty when you had?
No, it was pretty good. It was pretty good. And the engine never let me down, to be fair. But there was a drain on mine, so because it was an auto. So every 2 or 3 days, if you didn't use it, the battery went flat. You can't tow it, and you kept getting locked out of it. So in the end, I'd had enough. That's why I got rid of it.
A lot that there was a battery. It was mint, absolute minter. They're not cheap to run, are they? No.
Well, that was an eye-opener. Lovely. There's no rust in it hardly anywhere on the top. We've got to get underneath it to see whether there's anything below, if it's been stood for a while. But yeah, all in all, it was a really good day. Get the car out next time, give it a wash, give it a once over, and see where we go. I hope you like the episode. See you again in part 2. Take care. Bye-bye.